When an insurer raises a concern, the homeowner has no baseline condition report, no photos, and no proof of ongoing maintenance. Without documentation, there's no leverage. At that point, the insurance company controls the narrative. This is exactly why we built our roof maintenance plan. It's not about upselling repairs. It's about protecting homeowners from some surprise insurance decisions. Our maintenance plan includes scheduled inspections, preventive repairs, debris and vegetation issues addressed early, and full photo documentation with date-stamped reports. And that documentation matters. It creates a paper trail that shows your roof has been inspected, maintained, and professionally evaluated. When insurers review your property, your roof doesn't look neglected or questionable. It looks managed. Small issues get corrected before they become visible from the air. And if an insurer raises a concern, you're not reacting under pressure, you're responding with proof.